reflection on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow.
Please, Lord, make me the biggest star the world has ever known, so that I make it far away from this place.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Nyc Made, y'all, and I am back with another video. So today, y'all, I'm doing 2 videos in one day. So we're gonna clean out my sister's car, and then we're gonna remake over her car. Okay? So this first video gonna be the cleaning video, and then we're gonna do the car decor. And yeah, so if you're a return subscriber, hey y'all, what's good? If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Miss Crew, whatever. Let's get into it.
The reason why you always on my mind, you come around like this shit, and I see you, and I see you, baby, with my love. Never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right. I see you, and I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. In the zone, when you're nervous when you're gone, I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the #1 topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby.
Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come. But sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man, wait to be where I. What's it gonna be?
Ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up your phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me.
So y'all, we finished cleaning the car. Now it's time to decorate. My favorite part. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get to it. So basically her car theme is going to be silver and black. We got all this stuff here. And we even got some little accessories. We got some dice and a little couple of the things. And this is the steering wheel. So yeah, let me go.
I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in the car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole.
Them they run, them no feet catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like Pope. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, no one hear what they want. Telling me good deny my fantasy. What they check if my dad be no wrong. But it they rush for the belly be much. Now go they make my car be the rush. The kind money we got, yeah. It they rush for the belly be much. We be hype, everybody be close. It's go down in the door.
So yeah, we finished decorating the car and your girl, she did that. I love doing car decor, y'all. We gonna turn this thing into something big when they watch. But yeah, that's the end of my video, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Miss Crew if you haven't already. Bye bye.